Good morning and good morning to everybody.
Good morning, brother.
The question is asked, what's the difference between an optimist and a pessimist? There are many good jokes about it, but just to start with one. The optimist and the pessimist are both in the tunnel. And the pessimist says, well, there's no way out, it's dark. And the optimist sees light, he sees it's coming. The realist sees it's a train. And the conductor says, what are the three Meshugayim doing there? But anyway, so it's interesting to note that there's quite some interesting ways to see and to tell the difference between an optimist and a pessimist. The optimist, when something goes wrong, he sees it as a very small detail in his life, and it's going to change. The world's not coming to an end. The pessimist, this is the whole world, everything is a problem now. Because of this, it's a whole big to-do. And it expresses itself in many, many ways. The optimist doesn't see this as a factor in his life, and the pessimist sees it as it's a crisis. So really, when it comes to this holiday of Emunah, that we have to have faith, this is an interesting way to be able to help yourself to be an optimist. If you have faith, and you know everything is happening for a reason, and Hashem is around, and He can help you, and you know everything's going to be good, so it's a lot easier to be an optimist. That's one. Two, if a person is able to see that himself as an optimist, so then you come to the next part of Pesach, which is the Kriyas Yams of the miracles. When you're an optimist and you see how everything in the future is going to be good, and you're not worried, you're not threatened, so then you get to the next step, you're going to see the miracles. So we have one more day to be an optimist, to be able to start experiencing tomorrow, when it comes Yom Tiv, the miracles. So let's get it done. Let's be optimistic about it. Let's be sure about it. And with Hashem's help, we'll have all the miracles we need. B'karav mamish. Amen.